How you can get free gifts on Temu. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button first so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Temu. After you do that, on the bottom you will see different options. You'll need to tap on You. Now here you will see an option called Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Now this option might not be available to some of you because you are in a country which does not support this feature. So you can just change this by going to your settings and just change your region. After you do so, go to Earn Credits and Free Gifts. And here you will get a lot of options. So what you need to do is just select one. And after you do so, you can just pick different items for free. And after you pick different items, just select one. Let me do that. So there you can see you even get coupons, free coupons. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. So it might take some time. So as you can see right here, there are different ways to get this. So this is basically like a game in this feature, but there might be something else in another one. So after doing this, you can just get free gifts right here. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is how you get free gifts on Temu. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.